This is a machine designed specifically for high-efficiency weaving, the CNC hexagonal mesh machine. It integrates a CNC system servo drives and precision mechanics, and is specifically engineered for hexagonal mesh products such as gabion nets, slope protection nets, and aquaculture nets. It represents a key step toward intelligent manufacturing in the weaving industry. Once started, the steel wire is fed out in an orderly manner. The crimping mechanism engages with precision, and each mesh opening is automatically formed under the control of the CNC system. During the entire process, manual intervention is minimized, ensuring consistent mesh sizes and tight, secure crimping, with production efficiency increased several-fold compared to traditional equipment. A single operator can manage multiple machines simultaneously, truly achieving cost reduction and efficiency gains. From material selection and processing to quality inspection, we strictly monitor every step of the process. From equipment installation and commissioning to after-sales maintenance, we provide comprehensive attentive service, ensuring you can use our products with confidence and peace of mind.